Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kumshibenta jong ka yuwa bhagidari Meghalaya NCC headquarters haringkat kejinga trailang bat ka St. Anthony's College kelas sedang ya ka Trail Blazers ka bakin thup lang ya ki khna ki basha hikai ha ka kamshipai jong ka St. Anthony's College ha ka sni baar jong ka tayo kila penlong de ka program de ka benta ban sam ya ki khusnam shiki nong job ha ka bede bat ka poster bat ka jinya kop slogan ka bala penlong ha ka wat ka baar jong ka jing sedang ya ka ni ka jing thmu Haka jingya kop jong ka poster ya ka nam job la yo ra da ina kita tori M Karsenteo jong ka St. Anthony's College I Carolisa marak na po ka Mendi Pathar Government College ila yo ra ya ka khusnam ka baar but u cleric Jaden Wanyang jong ka BK Bajoria School ulo yo ra ya ka khusnam ka balai Haka jingya kop jong ka slogan ka lahun krim jong ka BK Bajoria ila yo ra ya ka nam job Aryan Sinha rayo ay khusnam ka baar badu Ramesh Ranjan Yadav jong ka St. Anthony's College rayo ra ya ka khusnam ka balai Hagni ka snila wan manan lang do Brigadier Viyayant Mahadik Group Commander jong ka NCC headquarters Shillong ubalalong ru kumukongsan Nalor Brigadier hagni ka snila wan banyadan lang ru do Father Arcadius Pueng SDB PhD Principal jong ka St. Anthony's College Kidikot jong ka college harengkat ki ANOs jong ki babon ki college bat ki school ki badon kumba pras pa angut AA na po Shillong bat ki saheb sipai jong ka NCC group headquarters Shillong ki bila don lang ha kani ka sngi Laban ong ba ki NCC cadets jong ka college la ai jing kai kum kita ki Trail Blazers nakabenta ban sedang ni ki jing lang pun snotho bat ban punya so lang ni ki kena bat ki dekot ba dan benta lang ha ka jing ya keren bat ban le ki kam nakabenta ban penyar ki jing pun snotho syapang ka jing kata jor jong drop baru ban yo ki jing ya da
Penang pun hak bernemen Kawanan sakun sang ngelai beto jopon Batu itilah jong pun mampak berdei Kini kenyang pun homat imen Tuyang rumun pun bernyawa jaki wekapannya
Everyone who's taken part in the poster making competition as well as the slogan competition. And a tremendous effort by the Trail Blazers in bringing out this kit. This is the first time I've seen them do this kit. And they have given a message to every one of you that when you get into this bad habit, it not only affects you, physically and mentally both, it affects your friends and your family also. So it is our duty to ensure that at least our friends in the college are taken care of, the way these young cadets were trying to tell you. Help is available, the means are available. It's only your willpower and your compassion towards your friends which will help them, all those who require help. So the whole idea for training the trailblazers, going through these 3 competitions, was to spread the message that this is the most dangerous kind of thing in which you can get into as a youth. After this, all of you will get into exam fever, thereafter in the holiday season. So when we recommence our activities in January after this, the trailblazers will now move out to the schools which we have selected and spread the message to the younger generation. That is school-going children. And we hope to do it as successfully as we've been able to do it till now with your support. So once again, thank you so much everyone. All the best for your exams and God bless you.